unsatisfying. Your assignment is not to become their historian or therapist while this unfolds. Your assignment is to keep your life livable as the record corrects itself. Keep it boring and powerful. Clarity before conversation. Water before screens. A few slower breaths than the day demands. Movement and sunlight, so your nervous system knows it's safe. A real shutdown at night, so your mind isn't drafted into a midnight courtroom that runs on adrenaline. Inputs become inner weather. Guard them. Turn down cheap outrage. Turn up nourishment, study, craft, prayer, mentors, honest friendships, silence that restores rather than isolates, so you're choosing from calm instead of reacting from fear. When provocation knocks, don't fund it. If a response is truly required, answer once with sentences that have strong bones. That's not accurate. I won't discuss this. I've shared what's relevant with the right people. That doesn't work for me. And step out of the spin, so outcomes can keep converting speculation into data. The crowd gets bored with theatrics, but it remembers character. Your character has been compounding. If apologies arrive, separate what imposters blur. Truth, remorse, repair. Truth is the facts. Remorse is the feeling. Repair is the plan. Tears without receipts, a theater. Promises without a timeline, a trailers with no film. I'm sorry that demands your energy to manage it is just another withdrawal on your account. Forgiveness can be immediate for your freedom. Access is earned slowly by consistent behavior without a spotlight. Locks aren't punishments. Locks are how a house remains a home. Expect last-ditch theatrics as your steadiness holds. Love bombs from the same mouth that smeared you, urgent invitations that are unprepared people outsourcing their panic, nostalgic callbacks designed to sprint you backward. None of it is urgent for you. Policy beats performance. Your pace isn't for sale. If bystanders ask, "So are you all good now?" keep it grown and reusable. The truth came out. Repair is a process. Your peace is not public property, and clarity doesn't owe entertainment. Meanwhile, refine what sustains you. A weekly audit that asks 3 simple questions. What moved the needle? What drained me? What gets removed or delegated? Leaks sink ships quietly. Fix leaks before chasing upgrades. When your yes is specific and your no is fast, money stops subsidizing chaos. Time stops bleeding into spirals, and energy stops being harvested by people who mistake your compassion for an all-you-can-eat buffet. If grief visits, as it will, let it pass through without steering the day. You can mourn the tenderness you placed in the wrong hands without reopening the door that misused it. Missing is a feeling. Returning is a decision. Compassion without boundaries becomes a revolving door back into harm. Keep compassion. Keep boundaries. That pairing protects your soft heart and your solid life. Use a simple filter on every new invitation. Peace, power, pace. Does this protect your inner steadiness? Does it honor your values and standards?